Imagine a neighborhood designed for the way you live today and built for where life is going. Thoughtfully designed homes like the Mansfield and Zinnia offer bright, open spaces, high-end finishes, and energy-efficient features that support the way you live, today and tomorrow. And because every home is 100% fossil fuel-free, with rooftop solar, heat pumps, and backup battery storage, you'll enjoy year-round comfort and peace of mind, even when the power goes out. Whether you're hosting, relaxing, or working from home, your space adapts to every part of your day. Outside your door, tree-lined streets and sidewalks create a neighborhood that's walkable, welcoming, and connected. And with South Burlington schools, trails, shops, and downtown Burlington just minutes away, convenience comes naturally. This is more than a home. It's a place to plant roots, to grow, and to thrive. Discover Hillside East, a new kind of neighborhood. Yours.